Alright guys, let's start tackling our pre-render method. As we said before, what we need to accomplish in pre-render is to actually populate our underscore channel data object. Now, we also said that the channel data objects are dictionary objects that contains arrays of command nodes. Now, your first question might be, what the heck is a command node? Let's go in the object browser and take a look. Underneath commands, you will find the information on command node here. So over here you will see that a command node is basically an object that contains our command. In our case, it's going to be a lighting.monochrome.set level command. And it contains some more information such as when the command is supposed to start and the time span of the command. Now, how are these created? If you click on this constructor right here, this is how we're going to create the command nodes. I'm just kind of looking forward here a little bit. Basically, to create a command node, we're going to say create a new command node. We're going to tell it the command we want to give it. We're going to tell it its start time and its time span. So basically what you want to remember is a command node basically holds our command and a little bit of extra information that Vixen needs to use. So let's go back to our instance. The next question I imagine you have is, okay, what exactly is the channel data dictionary object? Basically what it is for each channel in the nodes that the effect is applied to, we are going to create an entry with an array of command nodes. So in other words, if there are 5 channels in the node that the effect is applied to, we will have 5 entries, one for each channel, that contains the command nodes that we want to apply to that channel. So having said that, let's go ahead and discuss how we're going to go ahead and do it, and then in the next section we are actually going to do it. To keep things more legible, what I like to do is create a new method that returns a channel data object. That way, all we need in the pre-render method is to set our underscore channel data object equal to the return of that new method that we created. Now, in order to create a new method, I just need to go back and review what is available to us in our base class. Our new method, we need it to accept the target nodes. It needs to know what nodes it's applied to. It needs to know the time span of the effect that it's applying, and it also needs to know any information on the commands that we want to create. Now, our first example is just going to be a simple set the lighting level to 100. So we just need to send it that level parameter to the new to the new method. So that was a brief explanation of what we're going to do. In the next section we'll actually do it, and hopefully it'll be a little bit more clear